In this video, I'll guide you on how to transfer data from Android to iPhone without resetting your iPhone. Switching from Android to iPhone can be daunting, but I'll show you simple methods to do it without wiping your iPhone. If you want to switch from Android to iPhone, you might be wondering, how do I transfer data to my new iPhone without resetting it? There are 4 easy ways to move all your data without wiping your iPhone clean. Hello, and welcome to the 3 Minutes Fix channel. We've helped countless users transfer data without any hassles, and today, you'll learn the best methods to move data from Android to iPhone without a reset. Today, we're going to explore the best methods to move your data from Android to iOS without a reset, quickly and easily. Stay with me until the end to learn how to move data the other way. Now, let's get started with methods to transfer data from Android to iPhone without losing data. Our first method is using EaseUS MobiMover, a user-friendly tool designed to transfer data seamlessly between Android and iPhone. With this tool, you can transfer contacts, photos, music, videos, and more. Here are the steps to use EaseUS MobiMover to transfer data from Android to iPhone. Download and install EaseUS MobiMover. Then connect both your Android and iPhone to your computer. Next, choose phone-to-phone transfer, select Android as the source, and iPhone as the destination. Follow the on-screen prompts to disable Find My iPhone and enable USB debugging on Android. Then select the files you want to transfer and click Transfer. Wait for the transfer to complete. Your data will move to your iPhone without affecting existing files. Another popular method that can transfer data from Android to iPhone without resetting is iPhone's iTransGo. iTransGo is a third-party tool that allows users to transfer various types of data, including contacts, photos, videos, and even app data, directly from Android to iPhone. This tool offers a simple interface and ensures that you don't need to perform a factory reset or lose any existing data during the transfer, making it an ideal choice for seamless device switching. Here are the easy steps. Download and install iTransGo on your computer, then open it. Click the Start button. Connect both Android and iPhone to your computer using USB cables. Enable USB debugging on your Android phone by following the on-screen instructions. Trust the computer on your iPhone by following the on-screen instructions. Then hit Start. Now, select the types of data you want to transfer. After the scan is complete, hit Transfer Data. Wait for the process to complete. You have now transferred all your data without needing to reset your iPhone. One of the most reliable ways to transfer media files like music, videos, and photos from Android to iPhone is through iTunes. It lets you manage your media library and control exactly what to transfer. Here's how to do it. First, connect your Android phone to your PC and use the file manager to copy files like music, videos, or photos to a folder on your PC. Then, download and install iTunes from Apple's website. Once installed, open iTunes and click File Add to Library. Browse to the folder where you saved your media and add them to your iTunes library. Next, disconnect your Android and connect your iPhone. Select your iPhone in iTunes, then navigate to the Media category. Tick the files you want to transfer and click Sync. iTunes will now begin transferring the files to your iPhone. Keep the devices connected until the process is done. You can access your synced media on the Music and Photos apps. This method ensures you can customize which files to transfer, giving you full control over the process. Before we proceed, if you're finding this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button for more Apple tips. Now, let's continue. The third method for transferring data from Android to iPhone is by syncing contacts and calendars using your Google account. It's an efficient way to move key contact information and scheduled events without manually transferring files. To begin, go to Settings on your Android, tap Accounts, and select Google. Ensure your account is logged in, then toggle on Contacts and Calendar Sync. This will transfer your contacts and events to your Google account, which may take a few minutes. Next, on your iPhone, open Settings, select Mail, then tap Accounts and choose Add Account. From the list, select Google, enter your credentials, and enable syncing for contacts and calendars. Your iPhone will now sync the data from your Google account, and once completed, your contacts and events will be available in the Contacts and Calendar apps. Any future changes you make to your contacts or calendar will automatically sync between both devices. This method is ideal if you primarily want to move contacts and events without resetting your iPhone or transferring media. But what if you want to move the data the other way, from iPhone to Android? No worries. In the video linked here, I'll walk you through the simple steps to move all iPhone data to an Android device. Tap to watch it after this. To explore more Apple iPhone video tutorials, click this card. Check the description below and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials. If you have a question or need more help, leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist. Thank you for tuning in.